Yes, in the continuation of our grid in this class, we now have to label each of the grid lines. What we need now is to go to circle. You click on circle. You just click on this place. You make it a little bigger. Once you get something that you desire, you drop it. That's the end of that circle. So you move that circle. You click M. You pick it from this quadrant here, and you drop it here. You will discover that there are some, by the time we want to pick, some things are coming out. Those are the old snap that you need to initiate whenever you want to do all this project. And where do you see old snap? When you go down like this, you see somewhere here where you see a small box. You right click on it, and you now left click on it. It will take you to another place where you will see your object snap. All these ones, they are called object snap. They are very important. You see it: endpoint, midpoint, center, node, quadrant, intersection. Those are the places where you are going to be picking your objects by the time you are doing your selection of objects. So it has to be highlighted like this. If not, you will be frustrated and you will not know what to do. So please don't forget, if you have any problem, just rewind this video and check the way I have done it. So let's click OK, and let's go back to our drawing. So this one has been done. You just click it and copy to the remaining grid lines. You copy it, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now is to label the inside of that circle. So you can pick this text and use it for labeling. You copy it, you click copy, you pick it, you now take it. Of course, you press your F8. You now take it inside one of those circles. You press your escape. By the time you do this, you now left click on it to change the name to, let's start with alphabet. Let's start with alphabet A, capital letter A. In this one, you can choose to change the font if you wish to. You can change it to whatever font you desire, whatever font you like. Just go around with it and change it. So let's see whether we can get a better font to change it to. But if you cannot get, just change it to any font that you like. So we can increase the size of this font too. Let's increase it to 400. Let's increase to 400. So by the time we finish, we press close editor. We will now move this A, M, enter. We move it into the circle, and that's the first one. You now copy the same way we did for the spaces of our 2-bedroom. You now begin to copy the text. You click copy again. You pick it from this side. You now begin to copy from one place to the other circle until you are through with all that you want to copy. By the time you are through with this, you press escape. You now begin to double click, as in your left click. You double click on each of the remaining ones. You now begin to change it. You highlight it, you change it to B, you click close, and so on and so forth. So I want you to finish the rest. That's the lesson that you are supposed to do in this tutorial. So the same way you have done this vertical line, I want you to also do the horizontal line. The same XL, you press it, enter. By the time you are now going to, you press H, enter. You now see that it's now horizontal. So you now begin to pick. You'll be looking for the midpoint. Once you see the midpoint, you see the triangle. Can you see the triangle that's showing the midpoint? So you click the midpoint. You now have the midpoint of that line. So that's how you get the midpoint of all these grid lines, so that by the time you finish, it will be like these ones that you did. So that's your assignment for this class.